How to fix Facebook verification code not received problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your phone. Click on apps and notifications at the bottom. Then, simply click on Facebook. After that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on permissions, which is the second option. Then make sure permissions is allowed to the necessary part, which is camera, files and media, microphone, phone, and contacts. After you have done that, go back and in the list of apps, click on messages. Then click on permissions, which is the second option. In permissions, also make sure you have allowed all the permissions, which is camera, contacts, files and media, microphone, phone. Also make sure notifications is turned on. Then go to Facebook, log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. Verification code will be sent. This is how to fix Facebook verification code not received problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.